buddy, second day here in Ebeye, and I believe we're gonna go to Kwaj to meet up with Hillary, my boy Hillary. We're gonna do some touring on Kwajalein, so join us. Let's go. But before we head out, check out my reflection. Before we head out, I just want to say thank you, Patrick Bing, for letting me crash in your office. Sorry, it was like a last minute request. If anything, I owe you big time. When you come to Medjero, I got you. Wait, atam yang? Atam? 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 Yeah, yeah, before I hit the Kwaj, I just want to visit some old friends. So yeah, y'all stand by. Wow, big difference over here next to NTA. No more building. It's been demolished. And of course, Jaburo basketball courts. Yes, sir. Well, I just want to make a big shout out to Alan for designing that banner right there. It looks beautiful. Alan Muerto. Big shout out to you, brother, man. That's right, I'm next to NTA. This trailer right here is the best place to live here on Ebeye. So, I don't know. It's just the best. Yo, right now we are coming across one of the most monumental areas I know here on Ebeye, because almost every event there's like a canoe race or they would come out here and they would start off right there from this beach right here, go all the way around that island, and then come out the other side and come back this way. And I think it's almost every year or something like that. But yeah, it's a crazy event. People come out here, it gets filled up. This whole parking area or this whole area right here, it gets filled up real quick, and lots of tents to sell food, water, you know, and many other things that they sell. But yeah, this area is, I think it's monumental, and I like it. I love it. It's beautiful, it's clean, and yeah, it's huge. By the way, I wanted to make a big shout out to Andrew Bing. Thanks for watching all my videos, and thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do so. It's free. Also, a big shout out to and thank you, Kamolo, to Harry on Kwajalein, who bought me 2 Twinkies when I first came to Kwaj. Awesome of you, man. Thank you. Yeah, another one of the spots I wanted to talk about was this area right here, Monumental. Whenever there are games here or activities or events, this place is filled up big time. Oh yeah, even all the way to the road. It's crazy.
Wanna leave this town. I'm saying, love it if you wanna go, I'm down. 'Cause darling, we'll make the biggest thing.
Hello for handicraft shop.
wanna go, I'm down. Wanna go.